Okay, I wanted to show you a quick way to make a stem and leaf display. If you understand how to make the stem and leaf display on paper, then you can use StatCrunch to calculate it, especially if you have a lot of data points. Let me show you that again. Click on this rectangle and click on Open in StatCrunch. And then you could technically change this. It says var1. You could change it to whatever title you wanted to. We'll leave it alone for this one. So we want to go to Graph and go down to Stem and Leaf and click on it. And then we want to do a stem and leaf plot for var1, which is all of our data points. And then that is all you have to do, and then you click compute, and here is your stem and leaf display. It generates it for you, and as you can see, I've already entered these numbers in and checked it. And that's pretty much it. Please let me know if you have any questions.